Welcome back to Bhargav Shorthand Classes. Now, let us go ahead with the next concept, that is doubling principle. We have dealt exhaustively about halving principle. Halving principle means making the stroke half length, that is 5 mm to 2.5 mm for the addition of T and D, that is halving. Now for doubling principle, 5 mm stroke becomes 10 mm, double length, that means 1 centimeter, right? For the addition of T and D, we have employed halving principle. So for doubling, it is for the addition of not T and D, now it is tar, dar, along with this thar, dhar and ture, ture. Pronunciation is, phonetic says it is ture, but we call it as char. Future, F-U-T-U-R-E. We don't say future, we say future, right? Now, for want of tar, dar, thar, dhar and ture, that is char, we will employ doubling principle. This is general rule. Under this, let me start with A. If downward strokes, if downward, I can say downstrokes also, if downward strokes are being doubled, if downward strokes are being doubled, irrespective of vowel place, means it can be first, second or third, irrespective of vowel place, consonant passes through the line, because it is 1 centimeter, passes through the line. Why? Because between any two lines on the page, between any two lines, the length, between any two lines, the gap is 9 mm, not even 1 centimeter. But we are doing, when doubling, it is taking 1 centimeter. So automatically, even though if it is initial vowel, stroke passes through the line. Broader, bur doubled, though it is first place like dash, bur is doubled, it takes 1 centimeter, so it passes through the line. Only downstrokes, right? Doubter, D doubled, O diphthong. Future, F doubled, U diphthong. Father, F doubled, first place. Any place, downstroke means if it is doubled, it passes through the line. Second, if the consonant is horizontal. What are horizontal strokes? Come out. If the consonant is horizontal, it is written either above the line or on the line, no through the line. What are horizontal consonants? K, G, M, N. Ing is generally does not come as a starting stroke. So K, G, M, N. When they are doubled, if it is first place above the line, if it is second or third place, they are written on the line. Scatter for the addition of ter. Circlus K doubled. Scooter, though third place on the line. Scooter. Matter, M doubled. Knitter, N doubled, third place over. Enter, on the line, receiving side, second place. Got it? Now we have dealt with downstrokes and horizontal strokes. Third one is upstrokes. If in case of upstrokes, consonant is written as per the vowel sound. As per the vowel sound. Later, L-A-T-E-R, L doubled, second place. Letter, same, light dot. Latter, L-A-T-T-E-R, latter, former or latter. L doubled, first place. Litter, through the line, third place. So, if it is first place, above the line, second place, on the line, third place, through the line, in case of upstrokes. Right? Now, we go into depth of what is, till now what we have discussed, what is the position of strokes with respect to doubling principle. Doubling principle is adopted only for the addition of ter, der, thur, dar and ture, right? And if it is straight down strokes, irrespective of vowel sound, stroke passes through the line. If it is horizontal stroke, first place vowel means above the line, second and third places on the line even after employing doubling principle. If it is in case of upstrokes, if it is first place above the line, second place on the line, third place through the line after employing doubling principle. Now concepts, rather rules. One, straight strokes. What are straight strokes? KB, TD, JJ, KK. Straight strokes are not doubled while standing alone. Are not doubled while standing alone. Means there is no attachment, nothing. Straight stroke cannot be doubled. Peter, it cannot be doubled. Auditor, D, ter. It cannot be doubled. Daughter, D, ter. Daughter. It cannot be doubled. Cater, K, ter. Bidder. No initial attachment, so it cannot be doubled. Street strokes. Can be doubled for the addition of ter, der, thar, dhar and ture if there is initial or final attachment or joined diphthong. Not only attachment, joined diphthong is also considered as attachment. Joined diphthong. Got it? Straight strokes are not double if they don't have attachment. Attachment means, what is attachment? Earlier also we have discussed. Attachment, initial or final attachment means circle S, steel hook, R hook, L hook, N hook, F or V hook and joined diphthong. Joined diphthongs are I diphthong and OU diphthong, U diphthong. OU diphthong is not a joined diphthong basically, right? These are all attachment. Now, straight strokes are doubled for thirder, thurther and ture. Binder. Though it is first place, straight strokes passes through the line, right? Canter. Pointer. Denter. Joinder. Ponder. Seconder. Got it? This is with respect to straight strokes. Simple. Two concepts. Basically, what we have dealt is three ways. Above the line, straight down strokes, horizontal strokes, straight up strokes. Whether straight strokes or curved strokes, it doesn't matter. Down strokes, then horizontal strokes, then up strokes. Now coming to the rules for straight strokes. Straight strokes means PB, TD, KJ, KJ. If they are standing alone without any attachments, they cannot be doubled. if they have initial or final attachments, they can be doubled for the addition of tar, dar, thar, dhar and tur. Right? Now, coming to curved strokes. Curved strokes, which includes m and n also. Curved strokes can be doubled for the addition of dash. What? For the addition of tar, dar, thar, dhar and tur. Irrespective of attachments means they can be doubled even while standing alone. Right? Even while standing alone they can be doubled. Even if they have attachments also they can be doubled. Father, F doubled. Mother, M doubled. Neither, N doubled I diphthong. Enter, N doubled. Avoider, they don't have any attachment, see. Avoider. Finder with attachments. Thunder. A sounder.